In this video, I'm going to show you 3 challenges people face when trying to purchase a property. Hi, my name is Moses Bright. I'm the CEO of Announce Property, and we help high net worth individuals build a highly lucrative property portfolio. Typically, our clients are footballers, people in tech, consultants, white-collar professionals, and generally people who earn good money. We've been able to boast some amazing results, but we've also noticed some key challenges people face when trying to purchase a property. And they are credit, time, and knowledge. Having loads of money doesn't mean you have the best credit. And this is the case for some of our clients. For example, we had a client who wanted to buy their first property. They had the money, but they didn't have the credit. And what we did at Announce Property was we helped this client to go through that credit file. We were able to locate the issue and work closely with this client to help them fix the credit issues that they had. And that's how we've helped so many people in Announce Property become homeowners or property investors. Time is a commodity many of our clients don't have. But here at Announce Property, we provide you with a hands-free, hassle-free concierge service. If you don't have a lot of time, this is where we can help you start your property journey or grow your property portfolio. We get everything done for you, from finding the property, negotiating on your behalf, and you also have access to our power team and expertise. For example, we had a client who had a high-level government position. What we did for this client was we were able to, first of all, understand their requirements, and then we offered our hassle-free, hands-free concierge service to this client, whereby we manage the entire buying process on behalf of this client. And now this client has a property with a positive cash flow. And that's exactly how we can give back your time to you when you work with us here at Announce Property. Having the right knowledge and knowing what property strategy to implement before you purchase your residential home or start building your property portfolio is important. Now, I've been doing this now for a decade, and I've worked with so many people, help them to purchase their own residential property or investment property. Now, you don't know what you don't know, and you might have all the money, but do you have the knowledge and know exactly what strategy to implement? I'll give an example. I had a client who wanted to buy a property, and in fact, they wanted to buy a flat, but the same amount of money they had was what we used to help them buy a property that they could add value to. And after they were done with the refurbishment, this property went up in value. And you know what that means? It means that client can refinance, pull out some of their money, and go again. And that's exactly how we can help you at Announce Property. There you have it. I've gone through the 3 key challenges people face when trying to purchase a property. So, if you are looking to grow your property portfolio, click on the link below to book a one-to-one consultation with myself or my team. We look forward to hearing from you.